You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 6.
And it's important to me that it's recognized as a Jelani Day Bill.
And now it's not just a bill, but a law. The Danville native's death inspired what Governor Pritzker just signed. Good evening. I'm Jennifer Roscoe. McLeod is off tonight. It took officials 19 days to identify Day's body after it was found in the Illinois River back in September. This new law would require officials to seek more help in that process after only 3 days. WCIA 3's Cole Hankey is live outside the Capitol in Springfield. And Cole, that wait was crushing for Day's family.
That's right. Jelani Day was a student at ISU, and he went missing back in August of 2021. Officials found his body in the Illinois River, and Jelani's mother, Carmen Bolden Day, continued to look for him even after they found his remains. Since they couldn't confirm that it was him right away, she didn't believe it. A new law signed by Governor Pritzker will make coroners consult the FBI if they can't identify a body within 72 hours. It's a much shorter time than Carmen Bolden Day had to wait when her son Jelani went missing in August.
I want them to remember that every time they have to do something in that way to go look for somebody to make sure that this person is identified, they have to identify that with Jelani, because they didn't do that for Jelani.
Day's body was found on September 4th, but his remains weren't officially identified until 19 days later. And in those 19 days, his mothers continued to look for Jelani, keeping her hope alive.
I was out there looking for him when all along they actually had my son in somewhere in a mortuary, you know, in a box somewhere that they hadn't identified it as him.
Bolden Day wants to make sure others don't go through that same pain.
It's important to me that this bill is enacted. It's important to me that it has become a law, and it's important to me that it's recognized as a Jelani Day Bill.
The law only requires coroners to notify the FBI. It can't require the FBI to get involved. Only a handful of lawmakers voted against it, and they were worried it would overburden the FBI.
My fear was that they'll get these notifications and they'll just learn over the course of a quarter or half a year to go, oh, it's another coroner notification from Illinois, file it in the Illinois file, and it really wasn't going to do what the sponsor ultimately wanted.
Now, this law officially goes into effect on January 1st of next year. The bill's sponsors ultimately wanted this bill to just have downstate coroners use all of the resources available to them. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Cole, thank you so much.